Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best pipe cutting guide is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone tackling plumbing projects, DIY repairs, or even intricate crafting, ensuring perfectly straight and clean cuts every single time without the frustration of uneven edges or wasted material, transforming a potentially messy and inaccurate task into a precise and effortless operation that saves both time and money. Number 5. Jackson Safety Wraparound Pipe Measuring Tool. This premium pipe marking tool is engineered for pipe fitters and welders. It provides an economical solution for accurately marking straight lines around pipes. Crafted from a flexible gasket material, it withstands both low and high temperatures. This tool can handle heat up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring durability in demanding environments. It features clear printed scales in inches, along with an inch chart and a tangent chart. These helpful markings guide you in creating perfectly straight lines around pipes. The medium size measures 3.88 inches by 4 feet. It's specifically designed to gauge pipe diameters ranging from 3 to 6 inches, offering versatility for various projects. A convenient diagram is printed directly on the tool. This guide shows you how to easily draw and construct an elbow, simplifying complex tasks. What we like. This tool is a premium pipe measurer, perfect for marking straight lines and even drawing elbows. Its heat-resistant material and detailed printed scales, including tangent charts, make it ideal for professionals working in demanding environments. If you need a versatile, durable marking tool that can withstand high temperatures and assist with complex layouts, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. Mercer Industries 730040 Pipe Marking and Cutting Guide. Introducing the ultimate solution for your pipe marking needs. This innovative guide combines 4 essential tools into a single, convenient device, streamlining all your marking tasks. It handles a wide range of cuts with precision. Whether you need saddle cuts, 45 degree, 22 to 12 degree, or 90 degree angles, this guide has you covered. Its spring-loaded hinge ensures a firm and secure grip on any pipe. This feature prevents slipping, allowing for consistent and accurate markings every time. Equipped with accurate angle slots, it guarantees precise markings. Achieve professional-grade results with ease, enhancing the quality of your work. Constructed from durable 16-gauge epoxy-coated steel, it offers exceptional strength and longevity. This robust design ensures it withstands rigorous use in any demanding environment. Designed for repeated use, it's an economical and sustainable choice. You can rely on this tool for countless projects, making it a valuable addition to your toolkit. What we like. This guide stands out as a 4-in-1 marking tool, offering saddle, 45, 22.5, and 90-degree cuts. Its spring-loaded hinge ensures a secure grip on the pipe, guaranteeing accurate angle slots for professional results every time. If you're looking for a single, robust tool that covers multiple common cuts with precision and stability, this one is built to last. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points can be extracted. Number 3. Steel Magnetic Pipe Cutting Kit. Achieve perfect cuts every time with this versatile kit. It's designed to make your pipe cutting tasks easier and more accurate. This comprehensive 6-piece set includes guides for various pipe diameters. You'll find sizes from 1 to 5/8 to 4 to 12 inches, ensuring you have the right tool for many projects. It allows for precise cuts at multiple angles, including 45, 90, and 22.5 degrees. You can also perform saddle cuts with ease, expanding your project capabilities. Crafted from durable metal, it's built to withstand tough job site conditions. Despite its strength, it remains lightweight for easy handling and portability. Its magnetic properties ensure a secure grip on your pipes, preventing slippage during cuts. The flexible forever hinge adds to its longevity and ease of use. What we like. This comprehensive kit provides 6 different guides, covering a wide range of pipe diameters for various projects. Each guide features strong magnetic attachment and a flexible, forever hinge for stable and precise cuts at multiple angles. If you frequently work with different pipe sizes and value the convenience of a magnetic, multi-size solution, this kit offers great versatility. What people say. Number 2. Pipe Pro 158mm Magnetic Metal Pipe Cutting Guide. Introducing the ultimate tool for accurate pipe work. This guide ensures your cuts are always perfect, saving you time and material. It comes with a dedicated 1 to 5/8-inch guide, designed for common pipe dimensions. This ensures a snug fit and consistent results every time. Achieve a variety of precise cuts with ease. It supports 45, 90, 22.5 degree angles, and even saddle cuts for complex joints. Crafted from durable metal, this guide is built to last. Despite its robust construction, it remains lightweight for easy handling and portability. Its powerful magnetic base securely attaches to your metal pipes, providing a stable platform for cutting. The flexible forever hinge adapts to your needs. What we like. This guide is designed for a specific 1 to 5/8-inch pipe, offering precise cuts at 45, 90, 22.5, and saddle angles. Its magnetic attachment ensures it stays firmly in place, providing consistent and accurate results for repetitive tasks. If you primarily work with this specific pipe diameter and need a reliable, magnetic guide for consistent, high-quality cuts, this dedicated tool is perfect. What people say. Number 1. 3-piece magnetic pipe cutting guide. Introducing a versatile 3-piece magnetic guide for precise pipe cutting. It supports multiple pipe diameters and various angles, including 45 degrees, 90 degrees, 22.5 degrees, and saddle cuts. This tool is perfect for diverse cutting needs in pipeline work. This guide includes 3 essential sizes, 1 to 7/8, 2 to 3/8, and 2 to 7/8. It allows you to achieve precise cuts at 45 degrees, 90 degrees, 22.5 degrees, and even saddle cuts. These features make it suitable for a wide range of pipeline installation and maintenance tasks. Using this metal cutting guide ensures exceptionally neat cut ends every time. It significantly reduces cutting errors, ensuring a flat, smooth surface that meets all size requirements. This precision facilitates subsequent welding or connection work. Designed for simplicity, this tool is incredibly user-friendly. Simply wrap it around the pipe, mark along its edge, and then remove it before cutting. This streamlined process saves you time and energy, greatly improving your overall work efficiency. Equipped with a powerful magnetic component, it attaches firmly to metal pipe surfaces during cutting. This strong grip greatly enhances operational stability, preventing any shifting. It ensures consistent and safe cuts, even in challenging work environments. What we like. This 3-piece kit offers essential sizes and ensures precise, neat cuts for subsequent welding or connections. Its powerful magnetic attachment guarantees stability, preventing shifting even in challenging work environments, and it's incredibly easy to use. If you need a straightforward, efficient, and stable magnetic guide for common pipe diameters, this kit will significantly improve your cutting accuracy and speed. What people say. The guide ensures perfectly straight cuts every time. Its robust design provides stable support for various pipe sizes. The tool significantly improves accuracy and reduces waste. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.